Hey, what up, you guys? This is Fabian from the Ridiculouz Squad. I just started a new channel called the Ridiculouz Squad, and today we're gonna be kicking it off by making a giant mega dart. So what you're gonna need is a glue gun like this, or you could just use a regular glue gun, or you could use a PVC pipe or like a bamboo stick like this. But you have to make sure it has a hole, so you can stick stuff in it. Shape that out of the way. You're also gonna need some paper. You could use some white paper or you could use construction paper. Either way will work. You're also gonna need some safety pins. Just look at them just like that. You're also gonna need some tape for the fins. I use clear tape because I like how you won't see it, and it's better because you won't see it. Alright guys, so we're gonna start making a giant dart. First you're gonna need your First you're gonna need your PVC pipe or bamboo stick. I'm using a bamboo stick, so just leave that right there. And then you're gonna get your safety pins. So what you're gonna do with the safety pins is you're gonna open them like that. See that tip? And you're gonna fold them back till you get them like kind of straight. You don't have to be that straight, but be straight like kind of like that. So you're gonna make 6 of these. I already got 3 done, so. Okay, so you guys are gonna get the safety pins that you just opened, and then you're gonna get your glue stick, and then you're gonna put some glue in here. Make sure you don't burn yourself because it's pretty hot. Put that in there. Put a little bit more, just so I don't staple anything. Hold it. Alright guys, so this is what your dart, I just skipped all the boring parts, so this is what your dart should look like. I didn't need 6, I just used 5, so put that one to the side. I put glue in here, and then I put the safety pins in, like this. So we're gonna get to the fin making. So what you're gonna do is fold it like this. Get them lined up. Push hard. And this is what we're gonna use the tape for. You're gonna get the tape. You're gonna use 2 pieces of tape. So you're gonna put a piece like right here, like that, and close it. And do that to the same on the other side. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna fold some pieces like that so you can put it on here like that. But I pretty think that's too big. So you're gonna do that. So then you're gonna get your thing glued down like that. Take it right there. Make sure that's on the table. So you're gonna try to open that up without getting burned. Okay, that's the first fin done. Alright, so you see, remember how we started the first fin? So that's what I did for all the rest of the 4 fins. You can see, and the tip. So we're gonna go test it. So let's go. All right, so since we finished our giant dart, we're gonna test if the tip works with this orange. Let's try to see if it works. Now we're gonna try throwing it at something. So since we made this giant dart, we're gonna test it on that plate right there. Good in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, so this is. So we already threw this at a target, and we already tested if the spikes if it work. So now we're gonna test how far it can go. 3, 2, 1. this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what do you want me to make next time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.